In this one, we're going to do a box plot. So I've already imported our data. So here's my data. You can see that the data set is called times. Our variable is service times. We want to do a box plot. This isn't necessary, but the box plot deals with your first quartile, minimum, etc. So I want to look at my 5-number summary first. So let's do summary of times. And you can see here our minimum, first quartile, median, etc. Now if you want a box plot, you just do box plot. We'll do our data set of times, our variable is service times, and here's your box plot. Notice that we automatically get our outliers marked, and so when it says our minimum is 28, notice that's the outlier here. The actual whiskers don't go all the way to the true minimum because it's marked as an outlier. But your first quartile will still be the beginning of the box, your median will be the line, and your third quartile will be the top of the box.